In this video, I am going to talk about sorting, how you can use the Angular material sorting in the Angular material data table. So let's try to discuss these things in a detail. So if you look at the documentation, in the documentation you need to go to this feature option and then sorting. See this, you can Google search for this and you will get this link. Now for the sorting, what you have to do is you have to use this mat sort directive. Mat sort directive you have to use. That's simple. In the header section you can use there the mat sort header. Okay, mat sort header you have to use. So let's look at this code. This is the sorting basically, and if you click here the source code, then you can see that mat sort is a table having the directive mat sort, and in the th having the mat sort header. So if you use this mat sort header, then what will happen, this icon, this you can notice here the ups and downs icon will be available on that particular column. So for making this ups and downs symbol in your column, then you have to use here the mat sort header in your ng container th this tag mat sort header this directive. But for the making the sorting thing functional, you have to use the mat sort here. That's it. You have to do a very simple thing. It is super duper easy. Okay, if you look at my code, if I will click here the ups and downs, then based on that its description is sorting, ascending, descending, like that. So basically in my case, each time if I will click here the ups and downs, then you can notice that one API call is happened, and in that particular API call getting a data, and whatever data getting, that is displaying here. Okay, so it means our sorting is from the real time. It's all this data is coming from the database, not first I collected all the data, thousands and lakhs of data for the entire for a big enterprise application. If there is a lots of data, then if you will get all the data once, then it will be very difficult to manage. It will be very slow process, because API will take some time to get entire data, and then you are doing a pagination on that. So that's why for a big enterprise application you need to do through the backend. That's the important thing, that this will make the application super fast. Okay, so this is for the static. It means that this data we have displaying this data in a data table, and the statically this pagination is working. If I am clicking ups and downs, whatever, sorting, ascending, descending, any of the column, so basically these things is happening on the existing data, which is static data. But if you use a dynamic, and if you click here the ups and ascending or descending, so based on your request data will be fetched from the database. That will be super fast. See, there are suppose 1 lakh data is available. If you will get total 1 lakh of data, then your application will be very slow. So what you will do, per page you will get suppose in this case per page you will get only 2 data or maybe 5 data, by default maybe a 10 data or 20 data, you got it. And then, but if you will do the pagination sorting, if you will do the sorting, then this sorting not should be happen only on, suppose you initially there is the 10 data is displayed and 10 data is come from the database. So sorting should not be happen only on the 10 data, it should be happen on entire data. It means 1000 data if it have, then in the 1 lakh of data it should be a sorting thing should be happen. That's why we have used these things sorting through the real time. Now you got the point. So this will be get sorted based on that. Since you are requesting only by default 10 or 20 data, that's why this will be a super fast. So look at my code, what I have done. I have done the same thing. If you look at my code, the table mat sort, that's it, and mat sort change on this event we are calling another method. Just remember this point. And then on the ng container you can notice the th having the title and mat sort header is available. If you will not provide, then ups and downs icon will be not be available, these things. So sometimes you are not getting this icon, then you will be worried why it is not, I am not getting, I have done all these things fine. It's not like that, you have missed this part. That's it. In the next video I will talk about how I will make all these things that dynamic, means the sorting thing in a thing dynamic. Okay, so thank you for subscribing the YouTube channel.